How to use Ulta Referral Program. In order to use Ulta Beauty referral program, unfortunately, Ulta Beauty does not currently offer a traditional continuous refer a friend program for all customer. While they previously partnered with a platform like Xstol for referral reward, they now primarily offer earning opportunities through their affiliated programs and Ulta Beauty Reward as well. And if you are a social media creator or influencer, you can use the UP Create affiliated program to refer, follow, or followers and earn money as well. And you could also apply for a Alta affiliated page. You do not need a website or a massive following or to join in as well. You could also go ahead and set up a personalized storefront features your favorite product, and you could also distribute your unique link on platform like TikTok or Instagram, and you could also earn about 16% commissions on every purchase made through your link as well. And that is basically how you're supposed to use Alta referral program. And that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.